Yes. Yes. No. Fuck. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry in the morning. I just wanna fuck. Don't be crazy. Shout out to Usha. No, that's rude. Shout out to everybody watching. Shout out your hood real quick. Let's see how deep we is. Oh my god, you cockeyed as fuck. Oh my god, you're so fucking cockeyed. It ain't funny. Bless your heart. Let me tell you a personal fucking just key for me. It's a cockeyed person. Oh my god. What the fuck is you? Why you freaking out like that, bitch? First of all, bitch, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Why the hell is why the fuck is three niggas on the same bed at 2 a.m., bitch? The fuck? And he up jumping around screaming like a little sweet nigga. Then you got your little light-skinned friend over here singing next to you looking like a sweet-ass Bruno Mars. Oh my God, look at him. So mind you, so y'all, let me tell y'all, this is how trades start out. It starts out with the sleepovers like this. They playing, you know, but he got his shirt off. Hold on, y'all see them? See, this how it began. Now, they probably already, you know. Oh, no. And then they got butterflies on the wall. Now, mind you, this is one of their rooms. Now, that ugly one in the middle, he know that them two boys be doing stuff together, and he ain't went to his room yet. They really want him to fucking leave the room so they can do what the fuck they do, because these niggas is too happy to be around each other. I'm not against a friendship, but I haven't seen two men this excited since I was on Twitter last night. But on the other reel, no shade, he covered in body oil, mind you. He done already lathered himself up. This how they get down. That little dark one right there. Now, if y'all had to guess who the top is, I would probably say it's the light-skinned one. I don't know why. I'm getting bitch vibes from the little black hungry bird chest nigga. I'm getting more of a dominant spirit from the light-skinned one. However, it could give a verse set because they're probably the same height. But they both gay as hell and they fucking each other. You can just tell. Look at his neck. He's sassy. That's a sassy. See, I knew that was the queen. She had, and that's the top. Oh my God, I be right. I swear to God, I be right. And y'all know I'm a queen. And y'all know y'all clocking me. Y'all know y'all clocking these niggas, girl. They too happy to be around each other. Come out of the closet, baby. Girl, her neck gave it all. I don't give a fuck. Girl, her neck. Sit your little ass down.
Hey, what's up, Zaya?
Why the fuck your voice so high, bitch? That ain't cute. So what's up? Nah. So guess what? Y'all want to know a crazy thing?
What?
You ever did coke and went to a funeral?
What?
You ever did coke and went to a funeral?
Yes. No, because I'm not.
That's my bitch in the back. The bitch said, yes, she has lived. That body jumped out the casket on me, girl. I ruined the whole shit. I ruined the whole damn shit. Oh, child.
Damn, dude. Fuck, that's a fucking nigga. Yep, this a fucking nigga. This is a fucking nigga. I'm not with that shit. Your chin too damn strong for that shit.
You overliving. I was gonna let you get your fucking shit out, bitch. All you had to do was skip, fuck, nigga. You live for me because I'm fine. Shut up. Advice with Shay. If you ever straighten it up. You don't want to be a hunchback when you get too old. Okay? Hi, y'all are so beautiful. I knew they was waiting on me to talk. Hey. See, I work for that effect on people, okay? Some of these influencers y'all call influencers, I can talk my shit because I am one. Bitch, they don't be having that effect. You can't buy that type of shit how the girls be living. I earned that.
She told us go pick cotton.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you too. Get the fuck up. I need 3 barrels by the end of the night.
Oh, it's him.
That's the key. That's always going to be a key to me, dude.
TV on TikTok, or is this a video?
This is a video.
Is this a fake video? Oh, no, this is real. Yeah. Maybe on TikTok, cut it down. You never seen it? I'm high as fuck. What is happening?
I need to roll up. That was a sign that I need to roll up.
What you doing on Monkey?
Minding my goddamn business, though. Where y'all from?
NYC.
Oh, shit. Whoa, Hold on. Okay, so wait. I think I do a pretty good New York accent. Can you tell me if it sounds good or not? Be real with me, because I know New Yorkers keep it a stack.
Yeah.
All right, so you got to start a conversation with me in complete New York verbiage, and then I'm going to join.
Damn, that's hard to do. I'm high as shit right now.
Yo, me too.
Nah, I can't.
Yo, niggas is really not from New York. I'm dead serious.
Oh, no, I don't. Nah, the accent is crazy.
Nah.
Word to everything, that accent is crazy.
Nah, word to your fucking mother. Yo, suck my dick, nigga. Nah, bitch. Yo. Who fucking mans is this, huh?
Hey, look at Saeed.
You think you funny?
That's what I mean.
Niggas think they...
Asking you, my cousin is asking you, is your name Shay?
Who your cousin?
No, it's not like that. I was asking.
What?
You famous, right?
In New York, for real?
You famous, right?
Oh, shit, I guess. I'm high.
You like TikTok people?
This shit is hitting me right now. Why is it hitting me now? Oh, shit.
No, I think she's on the Twitter.
This is too much for me. Oh, my God, y'all. That shit be getting too much to me sometimes. Like, every fucking weird people be knowing it. Every fucking, all over the fucking country. That shit is scary, like, but cool, but like...
Yo.
Ah! I thought it was God. I'm high right now. I thought he was talking to me. I thought he was gonna tell.
I see on YouTube.
Ah! Y'all see what I'm talking about? That shit is crazy. Okay, how are you? No. Felt the dick coming. That shit is crazy, man. I'm appreciative though. Very appreciative. I'm only cocky to bitches that don't like me. Let me say this for the record. I'm only cocky to a bitch that hates Shay. I would never be conceited to a bitch that fuck with me.
Shay?
Yes, what's up, baby?
Hey, Shay.
How are you? Where are you from?
Virginia Beach.
Oh.
I just watched your video not too long ago.
Shout out to Virginia Beach, baby. You better stay fucking fine. Are you a Nicki fan? Oh, take a picture.
But I can take a screenshot. Hold on.
With the leaf in my hand. Okay, baby. Thanks a lot. I guess this the life, baby. They know ya. But like it be fucking with my niggas though. Like I be wanting to fuck with niggas still, and they be knowing a bitch, and like, you know, some niggas be running their mouth and stuff. Like I don't like that. Damn,
Why
nigga.
niggas gotta be gay, bro?
Why the fuck you sound... Everything about this image was thrown off. I couldn't have guessed you sounded like that, for one. Then you got this gay-ass fucking bubble coat vest on in the middle of the fucking night, and your uncle shades on, bitch. Shut the fuck up and go put your mama rent money back on her goddamn dresser before she wake up and beat the balls off the bottom of your goddamn feet. Little air-ass nigga. Shut the fuck up. You look like that female comedian that's a little older and black. I can't put my name on her, but bitch, she gay.
Wait.
Saturday night, and we ain't getting the spot. Don't believe me, just watch.
Is that who I think it is?
Who you think it is, baby?
Oh, that's that one nigga. That's that one nigga that be getting on people's ass on IG Live.
You a little light to be saying nigga, but I'ma let it slide because I know you're black.
My bad, gang.
Yeah, what's up, though? What's up, though? Y'all safe tonight? Where y'all from?
Crazy. Ohio.
Oh, y'all is, oh, I used to go to, I used to be in Cincinnati, and I'm finna move to Texas, so, bitch, yeah, I guess we just linked up, you feel me?
Right. What
Yeah.
part you going to?
I'm moving to Houston.
Okay.
I'm finna be out there. So, are y'all fucking? Y'all a boyfriend and girlfriend? For real?
Yeah.
That's your nigga, girl. Oh, so let me get in y'all tea. Wait. So, why is you fucking him and he in Ohio, though? Like, you in Texas, girl.
Listen,
It don't even matter.
But you was a pretty ass girl. I know you be having niggas try to holler at you in Texas.
but I don't be worried about them.
But he light skinned. I know he worried about him, baby. I know he did. I know. Here, look. She laughing. He got it in his
What's so funny?
You bitch, you.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello, Miguel.
What language do you speak?
English.
You speak another language?
No.
Después de estúpido americano. Muy cómico.
Americano estúpido.
Oh, he talking? You speak? No, I speak, Melio.
What?
Your teeth look very sharp. Like they look like obtuse angle or a pull chair. The middle of your tongue is white. Laugh.
Yeah.
So, do you have wife? No?
Yeah.
Oh, how long have you been married to her?
10 years.
She's been in prison for 10 years?
Yeah.
Why would you? Is she blind?
No, why?
Because, look, where is your upper lip?
What?
Where is, my English is not that good. Where is your upper lip? Oh, that is almost, there it goes. It's hiding underneath the lip. Stop biting. So you work at a power company?
What?
You work at a power company?
Yes, electric.
Voulez-vous coucher à la base ce soir? Bon, Joey.
Oh, I'm at the go. My friend are here.
Okay, well, you have a beautiful day. That is all your land? That's all your land? That's all your land? Where the fuck is you at? Kansas? I'm still here. You thought I was going to leave? No, I've hacked your phone. I'm from Europe. I'm downloading your iCloud. I'm going to get all of the kiddie porn on your phone. I'm going to turn it into the FBI. You sick bitch of a nigga. Huh? 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 Did y'all? Who called that? Who called that? Bitch. Girl.
Hey, you want to see my sex tape?
No.
What? Are you a nigga?
Yeah. Niggas be thinking I'm fine. Like, when they do that skip shit, Like, if they skip when they immediately see me, okay, it'd be like, wow. But, like, bitch, when they be doo-doo-doo and then they find out the tea, but then they want to act, I'd be like, boy, you live for the illusion. Like, girl, please. I just don't do a fake voice because, like, I'm not a girl for real, for real. In real life, off the internet, I'm a hoe man. I'm such a pretty-ass man, though. But I'm a nigga. That look like that influencer, Suburban Prince.
Hey.
Oh, shit. Hey, girl.
You so cute, girl.
Don't say that. I look crazy right now. I'm gonna think you're being funny.
I'm like, you're so cute.
I am?
Yeah.
Oh, where you from?
I'm from Chicago.
Oh, shout out to all the Chicago bitches. For real, for real. Last time I was in Chicago, I was sucking 2 dicks upside down.
Shit.
Yep. I was at that hotel across the street from the trunk, sucking 2 dicks upside down on a hotel bed.
Oh.
It was a lit night in Chicago, man. Them niggas up there lit.
Really be doing freak shit?
Man, what? Man, oh, God. Y'all be seeing a glimpse on the internet. The best shit that I've done, I can never tell the internet because, like, them niggas, it's still a current situation, and I ain't trying to be, nah, and it'll start some shit, but, like, I be lit, baby.
Look, I don't stay in Chicago no more, baby. I stay in Dallas.
I sucked dick in Dallas, too. Like, first time I landed out there, I was sucking dick within the first 2 hours. There was a plug that pulled up on us. Fine-ass Texas nigga. He had some good weed. He gave me a ride to the store, and on the way back to my house, he was like, so shit.
So I always want to ask you this. Like, have you ever, like,
I got lit.
sucked this money boy dick?
I've been with many black and Hispanic men that have a mix in them. However, I cannot remember a time where I had a full-on boppy, you know? Nothing against it. I've had a few talk to me. I've talked to a few, but I be playing games. But I don't be playing games with the Black Kings. The Black Kings always seem to get my attention, so hey. But I definitely fuck with a Hispanic boy. He gotta have a little. But yeah.
But what the fuck, yo? Say you on live?
You got a bottle in your mouth? What was that?
Girl. I don't do freak shit like you, girl.
You can't do freak shit like me?
I don't know, baby. I'm still 17.
Oh, yeah, you better not be doing no freak shit. You better be paying attention in school. You graduating soon?
Yeah, this is my last year.
You going to college?
Yeah.
What school you want to go to?
PV.
Okay. Well, I used to strip down there at PV. What's gonna be your major?
I want marketing.
Oh, you think you can sell something?
Mm-hmm.
Going to college, I can tell you what a lot of high schoolers do because I used to be a high schooler, baby. Class of 2017 in this bitch. But don't think of college as something just to say to people to buy you more years to waste time. If you want to get into marketing, when you get out that class, the real world is raw. It's fucking aggressive. It's fast. You got to keep up with it. And you have to be ready to do your fucking thing at any given moment. So since you want to go to college for marketing, well, you're talking to a self-made bitch who marketed her stuff. I think I know I'm pretty good at it. I'm finna try to see if you can sell me something. I want you to try to get me to buy something you're selling and make it very convincing. Go ahead. This is the real world. Chop, chop. You got to start early. Got to get them young, baby. Come on now. We're not playing. We really in business. Sell it. You trying to make this sell? Let's get real. We here now. Boo, boo, boo.
Damn.
Think of a product. Come on now. Give it to me. Be quick on your feet. If you in them boardrooms, we need smart people that can think fast. That's going to be the boss. Shay's Boot Camp 101.
Shay, you can't do that. It's like,
you can't back down, baby. In the real world, they're going to call you a bitch nigga and kick you out the office. Come on, baby. Let's get it together.
Okay.
You going to be a boss if you fucking with me.
Okay. Okay. It's the closest thing in my eye. Faggot ass lip gloss. Okay.
Period.
Girl, you see this? You know, they gave... Damn!
Keep going.
Girl, I can't do this. I can't do this.
Don't say what you can't do. Try again.
It's not nothing coming to my mind.
So then you need to change your fucking major.
I probably do.
You don't need...
I want to do marketing at the same time. I don't want to do something in the business. What the fuck, yo?
Try
I don't
to
know.
sell it to me. I'm not gonna let you get away that easy. Try it again. Deep breath. Think of something. Sell me the lip gloss.
Okay.
So I'm in your store. I'm looking for some lip gloss, sir. Do you have any that's like really good?
I have lip gloss right here.
Oh, what's so special about that lip gloss?
It would make your lips, it smell good, and make your lips look good. It's real shiny, and hey, it make you that girl. You already that girl, so hey, get this lip gloss.
Oh my gosh. Like, how long do you think it'll last me?
It lasts for me like a couple hours. I don't know.
Oh, do I get a discount on it?
Yeah, you get a discount because we both bad bitches. Hey.
I got it. Oh my God. Okay, well, I want this one then. I'm going to support your business because I got a discount. Good. Look at you making a sale. Look at you making a sale, baby. I just bought some lip gloss. It came out of nowhere. I'm in your store. Yeah. Okay. Well, just keep doing that. Do better than that because if that was for real, I would have walked the fuck out. But, but it was nice meeting you. That's right. That's right. Yeah.
Like, why do you skip me when I compliment you? That's what I'm saying.
You look like a bob from right here, and I live.
Nah, man.
You said wet fuck, nigga.
Whoa, calm down there.
You want to know a secret?
What?
You want to know a secret?
No.
Your dad never loved you.
My God never loved me?
Your dad.
Oh, my dad. Oh, yeah, I know that.
I knew
He's an
that.
alcoholic.
I knew that.
Yeah.
It's okay.
And he's a serious smoker, too.
Oh, yeah, don't be like him.
He's gonna die in a couple of years. I know it.
Okay, don't say that.
But you're the one who said he never loved me.
You never did. Don't mean he gotta die.
Oh, no. The poison, the liver failure will get him.
You don't like your dad?
No, I like him. He's cool.
Doesn't sound like it.
No, I'm just saying.
Sound like you count down the days.
He's gonna die.
Count down the days so you can take his throne. You want to take his bitch? That's what you're doing? Actually playing the long game to take his wife?
Ew, no.
Because that's how they used to do it in the old world. Especially over there in old Europe.
Yeah.
It's factual. Google it. So, you got a single light on the ceiling like we in an interrogation room. You calling for Batman? Where the lamp at?
I actually don't own a lamp.
Yeah, it's a lot of shit you don't own. Let's get better.
Okay, yeah, that is true.
You love
Are you
your...
rolling something?
Shut up, mind your business. You love yourself?
Yeah,
How much do you love yourself?
not that much, I guess.
Damn, we're gonna fix that. You ready? I want you to tell me 3 things that you think makes yourself cool. About yourself.
Let's see. That makes me cool.
That you think is cool that you know is true about yourself. You know you better than anybody.
Yeah, okay. Well, I don't exactly think they make me cool.
If you say it's cool, it's cool. So tell me.
Okay. I smoke weed.
Yeah, see?
I knew what you was wrong.
Yeah.
Let's see. What else?
Yeah.
I work in hay.
Oh, farmer.
That's pretty good.
That's cool.
Yeah. And what else do we? Well, no one else. Yeah, I get a lot of money off the hay.
That's cool. See, you're making money. That's always cool, baby.
Yeah.
Well, You stay cool, my friend. Oh, shit. Oh! Almost put my wig in the blind. Oh, my God. Wait, did the line freeze? Ain't no more comments moving.
He creeping with you. Yo, Shay.
Oh, what you saying my name for? It almost feel like you looking at me.
No, I'm not talking to you.
Oh, my. Oh,
fault.
Are you on the phone with a Shay? My name is Shay.
Yeah, I'm on phone with her name, Shay.
Yeah, she not me, though. She'll never be.
That's cool.
And if she a bad bitch, she'll say something. She ain't a Shay for real. That name is carried by a queen.
Alright, nice to know you, though. I'll be seeing you on Instagram, though. Nice to meet you, though.
No, where that bitch at? Where she at? I need to meet another Shay.
You on hotbed.
Huh?
You on my hotbed.
Oh, she ain't saying shit. Why she so fucking quiet?
Because I'm not on the phone with nobody, nigga.
Oh.
Yeah.
I was ready to chin check another Shay. That's just me, though.
I'm talking to you.
Oh, yeah. Where you from?
I'm from Philly. Where you from?
Oh, you from Philly? Y'all niggas ain't shit. But I'm from Texas.
No worries. That's lit. That's lit.
There's only one person. You're so pretty.
Is it raining? Sound like it's raining in the fucking walls. Is that a fucking mouse? Oh my God, wait. I swear to God, I just heard like little firecrackers going off in the wall, bitch. Oh my God, I'm moving. Hey, boo, how y'all doing?
Hey.
That's good. Y'all feeling beautiful tonight?
Yes.
You are. Y'all are. You better stay beautiful, babe. So what are y'all doing on Monkey?
We're boring.
You know what you should do? Go do some coke.
Alright.
You won't be bored then, baby. It'll take you on a trip. I'm telling you.
I don't really get it.
Oh, okay. Let's not do it for real. Let's stop. Let's cut off the plug for the coke. Let's cut. This bitches is lit. Do you hear me?
Okay.
I will suck his dick.
He from that shit.
I'll suck his dick from the back on the toilet.
¿Qué lo que?
You speak Spanish? Hola.
That's not Spanish, Dominican.
Oh, no, that is Spanish. ¿Cuántos años tienes?
I don't speak nothing, nigga. I'm lying like a motherfucker.
Oh, you look like a little Dominican boy. Oh, shit. I'm over here. Got an American flag in the back, ugly ass. Nigga ain't fucking Spanish.
Alright, gang.
Yo sexy ass.
Alright.
Follow me back on Instagram.
And ain't gonna tell me your Instagram?
What's up?
Stop fucking talking to me. I'll tell y'all this little unknown fact about me.
Hold on, you on YouTube?
I actually don't mind following people back on Instagram because I really need more fun people. And I need bitches that got fun ass close friends. So how about this?
You a nigga. I see you somewhere.
Go comment under my last reel. Like I don't know, something like freaky. And I'm gonna know it's you and I'm gonna follow you. But the freakiest comment, I'm gonna follow them. I'm gonna follow like the top 50. Cause I really don't mind following fun people. Like I'm not that bougie. The fuck do you want? Didn't I say stop fucking talking to me? Don't you see me talking to somebody else? Fuck nigga. Take your nappy ass to sleep. Go to jail.
Hey.
I know my neighbors think I got kids. I'm finna convince my neighbors I'm yelling at my kids.
Hold on.
Get your ass in that tub.
Hold on. Is this real?
Is you shitting in my bed? Nah. Imagine your neighbor in an apartment just hear a random nah. Did you fall? Did you trip?
Maybe a ritual or
Is that the weekend? I just heard a wolf howling outside of my fucking.
Let me tell you a wolf story.
Shut your chester cheek ass up. Ain't nobody talking to your thick ass. Look like a fat Kardashian. Shut up. I just heard a dog outside. Oh, me. Oh, shit on
Hey,
shit.
beautiful. You look amazing. I like your hairstyle though. Where from though?
Texas.
Texas?
Yeah.
I'm from Jamaica.
I'm from Stat Alley.
Wow, you smoke weed too?
This is Coke.
That's coke?
No, it's weed. It's marijuana.
I know you're playing with me.
Yeah, but you know what I'm not playing about?
What's that?
Licking your ass.
Wow. Damn, baby.
They get lit like that in Jamaica?
No, but I got my dick sucked.
Stay in Jamaica.
You say you like the dick sucking part?
I said stay in Jamaica.
Why, you don't like that?
Mm-mm.
Why? Can we be friends?
I got one more thing to tell you before I answer that. Would
Sure.
you be friends with somebody pretty as me?
You really ask that?
Even if I told you I had a dick?
No problem.
Huh?
No problem.
You are a great man.
I like you though.
I like you too.
You're beautiful.
I need to come to Jamaica. Get me a rasta. Me pussy scream murder!
What you like?
Me pussy real good. Me pussy fatter than your woman.
Huh?
Me pum fatter than your woman.
I like the sound of that.
What one?
Huh?
One minute X.
What?
Dirty girl and them pine sal.
So you can check that ass?
I know for dog. When you see me, I know you for do ball down. Ball cat. I'm gonna send where pussy what?
Lord.
Lad. Yes, lad. I made a Jamaican nigga say lad. Yes. Fishy. Okay, so what you need to do is get an iron. You're so adorable. You're so adorable.
You too.
Stay in school and what you want to be when you grow up?
I already quit school.
Whew. Shit. Oh my God. What the fuck? Are you dumb? Why you quit school, little nigga?
Because it was boring.
Nigga, you ain't supposed to have a choice. Where your mama at?
I already make $1,000 a month.
1,000 a month ain't nothing to live off of, nigga. Rent high than nigga.
I'm 13. I don't got to worry about it.
Now, but that 1,000 a month ain't gonna take care of you forever, baby.
When I get older, I'm going to make more.
How you know that you ain't got no education, baby? You gotta get you some
Because my
school.
brother said so.
You know, your brother, a dumbass, don't listen to him. You need to get your ass back up in that school.
My brother not dumb.
You know, he is.
He rich.
I don't give a fuck. Oh, what he do?
He own 4 cars, and they all high price.
Oh,
He got a
okay.
mansion
So
in
how?
Beverly
Oh,
Hills.
period. And where your brother at?
He travel all around the world. He is in Cali right now. and he just came from Japan.
Period. And I live for your brother.
And this is the truth. I promise you.
No, I believe you now. And you do what you want to do with your life. Write your own story. Society say you got to go to school. You feel me? Do your thing, baby.
Say what?
So your brother, how tall is your brother?
He is 6.
That's good enough. So, like, is he brown skin, dark skin like you? He got dreads?
No, he don't got dreads.
Oh, he got waves? He got hair?
He got freeform.
Oh, yes. He's single?
Mm-hmm.
You don't know? Guess what? He is.
Why?
And you know what? Because I just became your sister-in-law. Hey, brother.
If you my sister-in-law, send me money.
Your brother taught you that? Can see what kind of nigga he is. Freeform ass nigga teaching motherfuckers. Don't you ask me for no money ever. That just fucked up the whole mood.
Well, get that little man. Hell no, you got a grown ass girl.
You sound like a bitch. You sound like a
I see on
bitch.
YouTube.
I know you do. That's
I see on YouTube too.
Stop saying that. Dead ass my comments froze. I don't see nothing y'all saying. If y'all talking shit, fuck you. Ni hao, ni hao.
You can speak Chinese.
Yeah? Xi Shang Ping.
Wow. You're this. Do you want to learn more?
Yes. Oh, the government. Chinese don't like black folk. Government got him. He finna go to prison. Sit, man. Talking to a nigga. Illegal. Talking to a nigga after midnight. Sit, man. Sit, man. Engaging a nigga after midnight. 6 months in China. In Chinatown. You just did some coke? Got a little Hitler mustache, so that's just a dip in your lip. That shit is defined. That's some strong European blood. Where your family from?
From Croatia.
Croatia. Czechoslovakia. Yes, Sweden. German? Oh. This guy, boy, y'all need black for Annie Harry. Big Annie. Can't skip. Fingers too fat. I got you. I'm just a cool ass bitch. You feel me? I be vibing.
We gon' fight for our rights to love, yeah. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. I got everything you wanna do, I got every right you wanna go, I got every right to hit the road, and never talk to me no more. You don't even have to come, even check on me at all, cause the way I've been acting lately, I get off the wall, especially towards you, put girls before you, and they watching everything I've been doing just to hurt you. Most of it just ain't true.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That was a yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes to that song. That's some fucking music, baby.
Why you vibrating?
What the? Hey, no, it's that dude. No, look. Don't you know him? Imitated his voice. Yes, hon. Yes, hon. No, yes, hon, bro. Don't you?
What?
No. I swear.
Buddy tripping on God.
I told you, no. No, bro. What the Ballers, bro. I know this dude.
Why is you gagging like that, little boy?
I know this dude, bro. I know you, bro.
Why you don't know me, little boy?
Yeah, bro. Show them, please.
Oh, Lord. The kids be so excited when they see you. They do that in person, y'all. Like, they really will do that.
Fucking faggot.
I don't want you. If I could shoot him, I'll shoot him. Oh, low battery. It was full when I got on here with y'all on Jiraki. You got a medium-sized head. You got 3 knots left on the snapback.
What's up?
Into my legs. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. Cause
What you
I
on?
got you. I'm smoking and I'm chilling, minding my goddamn business.
Why you so aggressive, folks?
Cause I'm a nigga. The fuck?
Nigga don't give a fuck. Nigga smack me.
You got your shades on and you feel cool? You got diamonds on your shades, bitch? Long Lil J! Yeah! I fuck with it. Shout out to his hometown. So sad. I don't know where he's from. But
Yo, what's up?
my heart goes out to that city.
You is from that thing, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, girl. Yes.
Bro, she be, oh my God, bro.
We on TikTok? We on TikTok?
Y'all on my live. Say what's up.
Yeah.
Hold on, wait. What city y'all repping?
We from Florida, Tampa.
Oh, y'all repping Tampa? That's hood.
What's your TikTok?
It's Beyonce, Beyonce.
No, it's They Love Shade.
They love Shay. They do.
Isn't it like They Love Shade?
They love Shay. We love Shay. I love
Your
Shay.
name Shay, ain't it?
As long as you know their name. Tell the world. Tell everybody in Tampa about a Shay.
Hey, Shay.
Hey, beautiful.
What's good with you?
My pussy. Ooh.
What's up? I'm down too.
Well, let me get up.
I met you yesterday. I ain't with none of that shit.
You ain't met me no fucking yesterday. I don't get on Monkey unless I'm entertaining these people. Shut up. Somebody said they caught me on Monkey off live. I only do this for y'all. Ah, the fugly one. Oh, I heard his feelings. Oh, bitch, period. It's already o'clock.
You said who?
Oh. Oh, damn. Head shake. Mango seed.
Huh?
You got a pair of red shoes?
What?
Yeah.
You gotta remind me of Tyler Perry.
You, your hair remind me of a corn kernel.
Come on now, you don't want to get the score, and I promise you.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do about it?
You do not want to get the score, bro.
I already seen your teeth, so you lost.
No, you lost.
You shouldn't have been smiling so hard.
When the camera
Look at
came
them.
on,
Look at them. Your teeth can't keep up with your talking. They still back there. Spit your teeth up, nigga. You got dirt under your nails? You be scratching your ass? Why your earrings so small? Them cheap ones from Claire's. You couldn't go bigger? Your ears turning black? Take them out. Cubic zirconium ain't supposed to be in there after it done touch water. You be showering with them earrings on knowing they fake? Why your forehead look like that? Look like something about to come out of it. Let it loose. You think you cute?
Look like somebody who.
You feel handsome from this angle? I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. You're not.
I heard you, bro. I heard you.
Yeah. It's a dyke?
No.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, you with Indiana Jones. I see his hat back there. You think you're slick.
You funny. I be watching you on YouTube and shit.
No, you don't.
Yeah, you don't want to be like the girl voice and then you turn into a man. Okay.
Why do so many people know me for that? Let's get something else going. I really love smart young black people. I care a lot about black youth. I like teaching people about black history. Okay? I don't just do no damn deep voice. We love Shay for a lot of reasons. But yeah, that's me. That's what's up, though. I fuck with that. You on a tour, nigga? Look like you finna go play basketball.
How the fuck you know this shit?
I just feel a basketball spirit on you.
Basketball and football and track. But no, basketball right now.
6'3". You 6'3"?
How the fuck is you guessing that?
No, it was written before I got here. I knew that song was for somebody I done met him. How do I 6'3", play basketball. You didn't go to no prep school.
What the fuck?
Oh, you did?
I'm finna hit next. You scaring me.
Nah, man.
No. Why I go to school?
Huh?
Why I go to a prep school right now?
Oh, I see. I wrote this song years ago, and I made the lyrics was 6'3", play basketball, went to prep school. I can't say the other part because it's
Yeah, I don't.
but I think that one is true too. Yes, you're spiritual. You spiritual?
Spiritually, I'm not comfortable talking about that with nobody.
Oh shit, you at a prep school. They got you right. Okay. You is PR trained. I know that's right. You look at you, I couldn't hold that in. That's what's up. Well, yeah, that's how I know so much. It's like your fucking ancestors are so loud.
Aunts?
Yes, they're telling me stuff about you.
Hey.
They're loud people.
Loud.
Ah!
They too loud.
Yes, they're loud. They're yelling. And they will get your attention.
They real expressive, though. I like that.
You're from up north?
No, I'm from down south.
Any of your family from up north?
Maybe a couple.
Oh, so you're oh my God, what state?
Texas.
Oh, yes. God? Houston?
Nah, Dallas.
Ah, shit. Yeah, they sound like Dallas people. Side Dallas.
I don't live in Dallas. I'm from Oak Cliff, but I don't live in Dallas.
I know you from Side Dallas. You're Side Dallas.
No, I ain't from South Dallas. I'm from Oak Cliff.
Oak Cliff is not in South Dallas?
Oh, no, Oak Cliff not in South Dallas.
Oh, shit, I need to learn.
Is Oak Cliff is in South Dallas?
I've been to Dallas before. I'm high right now. It's probably not. The fucking Dallas ghetto as fuck. They was shooting at a club out there. I'm never going back.
Yeah, Dallas ghetto as fuck. In the white neighborhoods, in the suburbs.
Yes, them North Dallas projects is something else.
North Dallas projects. What the fuck you doing over there?
I got a friend from over there. Shout out to my nigga Pat. Yes, that's great. Got a bright future. I smell. I'm from Atlanta.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I can
Yeah.
hear it.
I do not sound like them ghetto inner city bitches. I enunciate a lot of my words. Oh my God, so why are you on Monkey?
Shit, just want to spread positivity to them.
You a church boy?
Not spread gospel, just like, how your day been? That's good. You're okay.
You are toxic.
I am, but I try
Ah,
not to.
okay. At least you're honest about it. You're a water sign.
No, and Earth.
Yeah, you look like you collect rocks.
I'm a Libra. I think that's Earth sign.
I don't fucking know. Libra? Oh, you a businessman. Oh, period. Business first. Okay then, doctor.
Computer science.
Computer scientist. So like you wanna hack stuff?
I wanna protect stuff from being hacked.
Why the fuck you wanna do so much good in the world?
Because I feel like the energy that you put out on Earth is the energy that you're gonna get back when you die.
You had me for a second. Why you gotta wait till you die to get your energy back?
No, like, look, I'm saying like, you can control which energy you want to get and give on Earth, but I feel like once you pass, your soul can be trapped. Like that energy gonna be trapped around your soul because it's been around you so long since you was on Earth. So now you're used to that energy. Your soul used to that energy, so now you're gonna be stuck with that energy for.
That's a creative way to look at being a good person. Great philosophy, yeah.
Sometimes I just talk.
Uh,
Maybe it's not even me talking most of the time.
Who the fuck talking?
That's just,
Oh, you believe in talking to your ancestors too?
no, I feel like I'm a non-ethic being.
Who?
Right.
Who?
I don't want to talk about it. I might be putting too much information out there. I need to shut up.
Let me tell you something. I'm a crazy motherfucker. I rarely run into niggas that make me think they crazy. But something about you, I can see you lighting the house on fire and just smiling.
No, don't say it.
Don't say what?
Don't say it. Because when I was little, when I was like 8, I had burned my mama's shed on fire. You know.
It's Leo season. My powers are back. It's gonna get crazy.